Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question is which of the following molecular species is not linear? So not linear होने का मतलब क्या होता है? Let us understand first of all. So basically the key concept is basically जितना भी हमारे linear structures होते हैं they are basically having the angle or we can say the bond angle that is represented by let's say theta is always equals to 180 degree. So whenever the bond angle is basically 180 degrees, so we can say that that structure is known as a linear structure. So we will draw the structures of each and every option, then we will decide कि हमारा कौन सा linear है और कौन सा नहीं है. Coming to the first one that is cyanide का whole 2. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे दो साइनाइड ग्रुप रहेंगे. सो बेसिकली हमारे पास साइनाइड बनता है N ट्रिपल बॉन्ड C से and we will be having another cyanide group that is C triple bond N and they are connected by CC single bond. So we can say this is having a linear geometry. Okay, as we can see. Coming to the option number B which is OCN minus. So OCN minus में again we can draw the structure. So OCN minus का बनाएंगे तो we will be having पहले CN that means C triple bond N. Then again we have one oxygen. तो ऑक्सीजन और कार्बन के बीच में एक सिंगल बॉन्ड बनेगा और यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन की एक वैलेंसी पूरी करने के लिए नेगेटिव साइन इसके ऊपर आएगा एंड अगेन वी कैन सी इट इज हैविंग अ लीनियर ज्योमेट्री. Coming to the option number C that is XCF2. So in the case of XCF2 we can draw again the structure. So we are basically having two bond pair and three lone pair. So XCF2 में क्या होता है, जो हमारा सारे bond pair होते हैं they basically acquire the axial position. These are basically acquired by the fluorine on the axial position and three lone pair will be there which are basically on the equatorial plane. So this one and this one. So we will be having three lone pair which are on the equatorial plane and ये जो हमारे पास fluorine है they are basically again on the axial plane having the angle is equals to 180 degree. So we can again say this is a linear structure. Then coming to the option number D and that is the last option, that's why this is also going to the answer for this question and the question is S3 whole power 2 minus. तो S3 होल पावर 2 माइनस कैसे बनता है, हमारे पास तीन सल्फर है तो बेसिकली एक सल्फर है जो कि यहाँ पे दो सल्फर के साथ कनेक्टेड है. ओके, नाउ वी हैव 2 माइनस पावर दैट मीन सिर्फ एक एक बॉन्ड हमारा बना रहा होगा और एक एक वैलेंसी को यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज हमारा यहाँ पे पूरा कर रहा है. सो यहाँ पे सल्फर के पास रहेंगे यहाँ पे दो लोन पेयर. ओके, so two lone pair will be there on the sulfur and due to this lone pair bond pair repulsion, okay, this lone pair bond pair repulsion basically try to bend the structure. तो यहाँ पे जो हमारे पास ज्योमेट्री आती है that is basically bent shape. तो bent shape हमको यहाँ पे मिलता है rather than a linear shape because of this lone pair bond pair repulsion. That's why the correct answer for this question is option number D which is S3 whole 2 minus. So option number D is the correct answer for this question. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.